Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic web services. What are web services? Web services are XML-centered data exchange systems that use the internet for application-to-application communication interfacing. So, ang web services are XML data nga nag-exchange sa system nga nag-use og internet for application-to-application communication interaction. This process involves programs, messages, documents, and or objects. A key features of web services is that applications can be written in various languages and are still able to communicate by exchanging data with one another via web service between clients and a server. A client summons a web service by sending a request via XML and other service then responds with XML response. Web services are often associated with service-oriented architecture. So for example, ang usa ka mobile app nag-need siya magkuha og weather data from remote server. So via web services. So katong app mao toy mag-send og request in XML format nga nag-specify sa location. Ang web service iya to i-process ang request, then i-retrieve ang weather information, then i-send back an XML response. Dayon ang app i-interpret na niya ang response nga katong XML response gikan sa web service. Dayon i-display to niya ang weather information to the user. So mas napadali or mas ni-smooth ang communication sa application to application sa internet or over the internet. To break down a web server comprises the essential functions. First is available over the internet over the intranet network. So this means that a web service is accessible for over networks, whether it's the public internet or a private intranet within the organization. So ang user or application can access the web service from anywhere with network connectivity. So next is standardized XML messaging system. Web services commonly use an XML or extensible markup language to format their messages. XML provides a standardized way to structure data and making it easy for different systems to understand and exchange information reliable. So next is independent for a single operating system or programming language. Web services are designed to be platform independent, meaning they can be developed and consumed using different operating system and programming languages. Self-describing via standardized XML language. So web services utilize XML based on standards such as Web Services Description Language to describe their interface and operations. So this self-descriptive nature enables clients to understand how to interact with the web services without needing prior knowledge of its implementation details. So last is discoverable through a simple location method. So that this means that clients can easily find access the available in web services based on their functionalities and locations. So web services support communication among numerous apps with XML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language, SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol, and other open standards. So ang XML tags the data, while ang SOAP transfer the message, and WSDL describes the service accessibility. Here are instances of how it works. A web service sits between two sets of Java, .NET, or PHP apps, providing a way for these applications to communicate over a network. On one side, for example, a Java apps interact with the Java, .NET, or PHP apps on the other end by way of the web service communicating in a dependent language. So, ang web services, it's like a bridge between two sets of application and could be developed using different programming languages such as Java and .NET or PHP. So this application needs to communicate with each other over a network. So ang web services makes a communication easy by offering a standard interface that hide the differences in programming languages. So the Java talks to the web services using Java, while other apps use their own languages like .NET or PHP to communicate with the web services. Web services offer different across business operations. The technology helps IT pros to web architects streamline connectivity by minimizing development time, and with this simplified infrastructure, company executives begin to see higher return investment and business-to-business operations where both parties understand how the process works, and web services provides efficient technology distribution throughout an entire network. So, example sa mga web services kay kanang e-commerce, kay ang online shopping platforms kay often used for web services to communicate with payment, gateways, shipping providers, and inventory management system. Dayon kuan sad example po niya kay itong traveling booking system. Kay ang traveling agencies booking websites utilize a web service to connect with airlines reservation system like hotel booking system and car rental service. That's all. Thank you.